Are you a big, heavy guy on the hunt for the perfect electric bike to power your adventures? Well, buckle up, my friend, because we're about to uncover the top 5 electric bike picks that'll have you cruising in style and comfort, no matter the terrain. Now, before we dive in, keep in mind that these selections aren't in any particular order, so make sure you stick around until the end to find the ideal ride for you. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for all the latest updates on the world of electric bikes. First up, we have the Apex Pro e-bike, a true powerhouse designed with big riders in mind. Whether you're a hardcore hunter, an avid angler, a military maverick, or just an outdoor enthusiast craving unrivaled performance, this electric bike is engineered to tackle any challenge that comes its way. Packed with a robust 1,000-watt mid-drive motor and a 17.25 amp-hour, 48-volt battery, the Apex Pro delivers unmatched torque and acceleration, effortlessly conquering steep inclines and conquering even the muddiest of trails. And with a range of 25 to 52 miles, you can fuel your adventures without a hitch. But the Apex Pro isn't just about raw power, it's also all about premium comfort and control. Its 140mm KK inverted moto-inspired air fork provides unparalleled suspension, smoothing out even the most treacherous terrain. And with Tektron's 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes, you can navigate any surface with confidence, knowing that you've got reliable stopping power at your fingertips. Speaking of surfaces, the Apex Pro is equipped with tough-as-nails, all-terrain fat tires, and a heavy-duty pannier rack that can support a whopping 100 pounds of gear. So, whether you're embarking on a rugged expedition or just need to haul your favorite outdoor equipment, this bike's got your back. And the customization options don't stop there. With a range of accessories tailored to your specific needs, you can truly make the Apex Pro your own and unlock the full potential of backcountry exploration. Next up, we've got the Himiway D7 Pro full suspension electric bike, a true powerhouse that's sure to turn heads and tackle any challenge you throw its way. Driven by a beastly 1,000-watt Bafang mid-drive motor, this upgraded version of the Himiway Cobra Pro offers unparalleled power and agility, with a jaw-dropping 160 Nm of torque. And with the ability to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, after unlocking the speed limits, you'll be leaving everyone in the dust. But it's not just about raw power. The Himiway D7 Pro is all about comfort and control too. With a double shoulder coil spring front fork and a rear suspension system designed to soak up bumps, you'll be able to tackle even the roughest terrain with confidence and stability. And let's talk about that battery, shall we? The 48-volt 20 amp-hour battery pack provides an impressive range of up to 80 miles per charge, so you can go the distance without a hitch. And when it comes to safety, this bike doesn't mess around, with upgraded 4-position hydraulic brakes that offer superior stopping power and stability, no matter the conditions. Accommodating riders ranging from 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 5 inches and boasting a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds, the Himiway D7 Pro is the perfect blend of power, range, comfort, and safety for big guys seeking the ultimate electric bike experience. Experience the epitome of performance and value with the Ride1Up PRODIGY, one of the best electric bikes for big dudes. Powered by the refined Bros TF Sprinter German-made mid-drive motor with 90 nanometers torque, this electric bike delivers a ride so smooth and natural, you'll forget it's electric. Designed to elevate your riding experience to the next level, the Prodigy offers a true Class 3 experience, refusing to compromise on quality despite its unbeatable value in the industry. Ideal for riders who demand more but are savvy enough to seek affordability, this bike is the epitome of top-quality performance without the hefty price tag. With a range of 30 to 50 miles, depending on rider weight, terrain, incline, and level of assist, the Prodigy ensures you can embark on longer rides with confidence. Its lightweight alloy frame houses internal protected and locked electronics, ensuring durability and reliability on every journey. The 36V14 Auphilion BN21 battery with Samsung cells and smart BMS ensures consistent power delivery, while the Tektron Orion HD M754 piston brakes provide reliable stopping power. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, the The Prodigy is built to accommodate riders of all sizes, making it the perfect choice for big dudes seeking a high-performance electric bike that doesn't break the bank. Experience the thrill of riding without compromise with the Ride1Up Prodigy. Now, for the big dudes out there craving unparalleled power and performance, let's talk about the LANKELEISI X3000 MAX. This electric bike is the epitome of strength and versatility, featuring dual motor power with front and rear 1,000-watt brushless high-speed motors, delivering a combined 2,000 watts of pure, unadulterated force. Whether you're all about high-speed thrills or efficient torque management, the X3000 MAX has you covered, offering the perfect balance of power and control. And with a Samsung 48-volt, 20-amp-hour lithium battery, you can enjoy up to 85 miles of range in pedal assist mode and up to 45 miles per hour in pure electric mode, ensuring you can tackle even the longest of adventures. But the X3000 MAX isn't just about raw power, it's also packed with practical features that'll make your riding experience a breeze. The intelligent LCD instrument panel, with its IP64 water and dust resistance, keeps you informed of all the critical driving data and power output settings, so you can make informed decisions on the fly. And when it comes to comfort and stability, this electric bike doesn't disappoint. Dual shock absorbers, a lockable oil spring suspension fork, and massive 20x4 Chaoyang fat tires ensure you can tackle any terrain with confidence. While the 6061 aluminum alloy full suspension frame and 180mm hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power and durability, no matter the conditions. Throw in a Shimano 7-speed gear system and Shimano M310 rear derailleur, and you've got a bike that can handle just about anything you throw its way. With a maximum payload of up to 350 pounds on the frame and an additional 120 pounds on the rear rack, the LANKELEISI X3000 MAX is the ultimate electric bike for heavy riders seeking the best in power, performance, and durability. Last, but certainly not the least, we have the Bandit X-Trail Pro, a true powerhouse that's sure to set your heart racing. With a formidable combination of a 750-watt front hub motor and a 1,000-watt rear hub motor, this electric bike delivers unparalleled speed and hill climbing capabilities, reaching top speeds of 38 to 42 miles per hour. But it's not just about pure speed. The X-Trail Pro also boasts an impressive 120-plus mile range, thanks to its dual 48-volt, 20-amp-hour batteries, which pack a total of 1920 watt-hours of power. So, you can tackle those long, grueling adventures without having to worry about running out of juice. And when it comes to handling, the X-Trail Pro is a true beast. Its hydraulic adjustable front suspension and rear spring suspension effortlessly tame and traverse even the most unforgiving terrain, whether you're navigating rocky trails or cruising through urban streets. With a maximum load capacity of 440 pounds, this bike is built to accommodate big riders and all their gear. But the real showstopper is the safety features. The X-Trail Pro is equipped with nut 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors, providing reliable stopping power even at high speeds. So, you can push the limits without compromising your safety.